Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm back after a really long time with a makeup tutorial, and this is an inspired one from the movie Kalank, and this is Alia Bhatt's look, as you guys already know from the title and from the thumbnail. So this is how the look turned out. I'm pretty happy the way it looks. I think this is a perfect wearable makeup for everyone out there. A cold smoky look with a nude lipstick. It looks really nice and fresh. Like when I watched the teaser, I was like, hey, I got to do this look because I was so inspired with this fresh look, because even summer is coming and you really want to do something light and to go with a wearable look. So this is what I have come up with. And yeah, without wasting much time, you can watch this video, but before that you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, because you are going to be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And that's it, me blabbering. So now let's get into this video. So now for the primer, I'm going with this MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And now for my foundation, I'll be going with this Maybelline Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Warm Beige 05. And I'm going to apply this with a damp beauty sponge. And now I'll be going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm going to highlight my face really well because Alia Bhatt, she has got a very nice highlighted matte look. So I'm going to make sure that my face is looking more natural and highlighted. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight, and it's basically on the center of my face. And even I'm going with this on the eyelids area to cancel out any darkness or my veins showing. And again, I'm going to blend this all out with the same beauty sponge. And now from the Wet n Wild contour palette, I'll be going with this banana shade. And I'll be going with this on the areas I have highlighted for a very nice and highlighted mattifying look. And as you can see, her highlighted areas are really nice and matte. So I'm going to achieve that same look with this powder. And now I'll be going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'm going with this bronzer right here because I can't see any harsh contour going on Alia's face. She has got more of a highlighted look than a sun-kissed bronze look, but just because she has got that perfect sculpted out look, I just want to go for a little bit of warmth on my face, because otherwise it's going to look very flat, which is not flattering at all. So I'm just going to carve out my face with this bronzer on the areas where I normally do. But her nose is really nicely chiseled up, so I'm going to do that for sure. So that's it for bronzing. Like as you can see, my nose is looking really nice and sharp, just like hers. So now I'm going to move on to the blusher. And for the blusher, I'll be going with two blusher right here because she has got a very beautiful pink color, and for that I'm going to mix both of these. This is the Romantic Rose from Maybelline, and this is again from Makeup Revolution Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette, and I'll be going with this shade, of course. If you have the similar pink shade, then you can surely go for it. Otherwise you can just mix and make as I did it. And I'll be going with this on the apples of my cheeks. So as you can see, I'm almost done with my base, and I'm now going to move on to my eyebrow. So this is a inspired look of Alia. Obviously I'm not going to do my own eyebrow routine which I normally follow. So I'm gonna go with LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit, and I'll be going with this light brown shade from here. But before that, I'm just going with some wax. And as you can see, Alia Bhatt's eyebrows, it's like from the front side, it's just standing upwards, and rest is like just nicely shaped. So I'm going to do the same. And now I'll be going with this brown shade, and I'm going to fill the sparse areas of my eyebrows. Her eyebrows are nice and soft, so I'm going to do the same. And now with the spoolie, I'm just going to comb through. So finally, I'm done with my brows. Moving on to my eyes. Now for Alia's look, she has got a very nice gold look and some sort of sheen on her eyes with some golden or a rustic eyeshadow, which is looking absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to do that same thing. First, I'm going to go with my crease, and after that, I'm again going with this bronzer shade. Now I'll be taking this on the crease area, and this is going to be a very nice transition for your eyeshadow. And I'll be going with this on the socket of my eyes and blend it in the back and forward motion. And now from Maybelline Blush Nudes palette, I'll be going with this 2 shades right here and apply this on the lids area. And now for this smudged out kohl look, I'm going with this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And I'll be applying this on the upper and even on the lower lash line. And now with this brush, I'm going to apply some bronzer again. As I have used this bronzer on my crease area, I'm even going to take this to smudge out my kajal. And now for the liner, I'll be going with this Maybelline Black Gel Liner. And now for the mascara, I'll be going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on my bottom lashes. As I can see, Alia is wearing some false lashes, but I totally want to skip them because I don't like to wear lashes. If you want, if you prefer, you can surely go for it. Otherwise, you can just go with a mascara like I'm doing. So I'm finally done with my eyes, and now again I'll be moving on to my base. And Alia has got a very nice highlighted look, as I already said, but she did not go for a very glowy highlighter, but she has got a very nice glow within. So I'm just going to do that, and for that I'm going with the same Makeup Revolution palette which I have used for my bronzing and blusher. I'm again going with this highlighter shade, which is very nice and light. And just because I don't want too much of it, I'm just going to apply this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to pick this from the back of my hand, and I'll be going lightly on my face where I can see Alia has got some highlighter going on. It's just on the center of the face. So now I'm done with all, just left with my lipstick. And as I can see her pictures, like Alia is wearing very nice nude pink lipstick. And for that I'm going with Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bombay. this was the look. I hope you all liked it because I am absolutely loving this look. Just you got to remove the bindi if you're wearing something western, and you can just pop on any color bindi if you're wearing an Indian outfit. This is a perfect everyday kind of look. I'm saying this again and again, and I'm absolutely in love with this look. Just let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this look, and even comment down below if you want me to do more looks from this movie of Madhuri Dixit and Sonakshi Sinha. I love to do it, so please comment down below in the comment section given below. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.